The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Swift is finally here, and it's got everyone talking. The Swift has always been a go-to hatchback for Indian buyers, but this new generation takes things up a notch, not just in looks, but in performance and features too. Right off the bat, the design feels fresh yet familiar. Suzuki hasn't done a complete overhaul, but the new Swift looks sharper and more modern. The front grille is slimmer, the LED headlamps are sleeker, and the new alloy wheel design adds a sporty vibe. The silhouette is still very much Swift, but everything feels tighter, more refined. Step inside, and you'll notice a big change. The cabin feels more premium now. There's a new 9-inch floating touchscreen that supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The dashboard layout is cleaner, and the dual-tone theme gives it a more upmarket feel. Even the steering wheel is new, it's a flat-bottom unit, and it feels great in the hands. One of the biggest updates is under the hood. The 2025 Swift comes with a brand new 1.2-liter 3-cylinder Z-Series petrol engine. It's not just about fuel efficiency anymore, this engine is tuned to be responsive and smooth. It makes around 82 horsepower and 112 Nm of torque, and though those numbers aren't massive, it feels lively in city traffic. The biggest surprise: it's incredibly refined. You barely notice it's a 3-cylinder. You get 2 transmission options, a 5-speed manual and a 5-speed UNT. The manual is fun as always, but the UNT has been improved. It's not as jerky as before, and it shifts more intuitively. For city driving, it gets the job done without fuss. Now let's talk mileage, because we know that's a big deal. Maruti claims a fuel efficiency of up to 25.72 km/L, which is impressive. In real-world conditions, you can expect somewhere around 20 to 22 km/L, which is still excellent for daily use. Ride quality has always been a Swift's strong point, and this one continues the tradition. The suspension feels well-tuned, plush enough for rough roads, but still stable at highway speeds. The steering is light, which makes it great for city use, though some enthusiasts might wish for a bit more feedback. Safety has taken a step forward too. The new Swift now comes with 6 airbags as standard across all variants, along with electronic stability control and hill hold assist. That's a major upgrade and shows Maruti is finally starting to take safety seriously. There are still a few things that could have been better. Rear seat space is decent, but taller passengers might find headroom tight. And while build quality has improved, it's still not up to the level of some rivals like the Hyundai i20 or Tata Altroz. Overall, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Swift is a solid evolution of a fan favorite. It's stylish, efficient, packed with modern tech, and finally brings a sense of refinement that earlier Swifts lacked. If you are looking for a practical, fun, and safe hatchback, the new Swift definitely deserves a test drive.